Footprinting and reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is a process of gathering as much information about the target as possible that can further be used by an attacker in order to determine attack surface of the target. Reconnaissance can be active as well as passive. Active reconnaissance is related to extraction of information by interacting with the target, like port scanning, going inside the target organization and see their security architecture, etc. Passive reconnaissance means gathering publicly available information, which someone can get using his brain. EXE and passive recon mediums, Google hacking, etc. Reconnaissance can be divided into three parts: footprinting, scanning, and enumeration. Footprinting is a part of reconnaissance process which is used for gathering as much as possible information about a target computer system or network. Footprinting could be both passive and active. Reviewing a company's website is an example of passive footprinting. Attempting to gain access to sensitive information through social engineering is an example of active information gathering. In pseudonymous footprinting, collect information through online sources about target that is shared by posting with an assumed name or pen name. In Internet footprinting attacker collect information through search engines. The objectives of footprinting are to learn security posture, identify focus area, find vulnerabilities, map the network graphically. Footprinting methodology are footprinting through search engines, footprinting through advanced Google hacking techniques, footprinting through social networking sites, footprinting through websites, footprinting through email, footprinting through competitive intelligence, footprinting through WHOIS, footprinting through DNS, footprinting through network, and footprinting through social engineering. Footprinting through search engines. It's a passive information gathering process where we gather information about the target from social media, search engines, various websites, etc. Collecting information from Google, Bingo, etc. Footprinting through advanced Google hacking techniques. Google Advanced Search Operators. Some advanced options can be used to search for a specific topic using search engines. These advanced search operators made in searching more appropriate and focused on a certain topic. Cite. Search for the result in the given domain. Related. Search for similar web pages. Cache. Display the web pages stored in cache. Link. List the websites having a link to a specific web page. Align text. Search for websites containing a specific keyword. Align title. Search for websites containing a specific keyword in the title. In title. Search for documents containing a specific keyword in the title. Align URL. Search for websites containing a specific keyword in URL. In URL. Search for documents containing a specific keyword in URL. For Google Advanced Search, you can also go for the following URL. Footprinting through social networking sites. Attackers use social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, etc. to gain important and sensitive data about their target. They often create fake profiles through their social media to lure their target and extract vulnerable information. Footprinting through websites. Website footprinting is a technique in which information about the target is collected by monitoring the target's website. Hackers can map the entire website of the target without being noticed. Website footprinting gives information about software, operating system, subdirections, contact information, scripting platform, and query details. Footprinting through email. Tracking on email using email header can reveal the following information: destination address, sender's IP address, sender's mail server, time and date information, authentication system information of sender's mail server. Popular email tracking tools are as follows: Polite Mail, Email Tracker Pro, Email Lookup, Yesware, Who Read Me, Contact Monkey, Read Notify, Did They Read It, Get Notify, Point of Mail, Trace Email, and Glog Analytics. Footprinting through competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence gathering is the process of gathering information about the competitors from resources such as the Internet. Some basic sources of competitive intelligence are company website, search engine, Internet, online databases, press releases, annual reports, and trade journals. Footprinting through WHOIS. WHOIS lookup results shows registrant information, registrant organization, registrant country, domain name server information, IP address, IP location, ASN, domain status, WHOIS history, IP history, registrar history, and hosting history. WHOIS can be described as a tool that gives the valuable information about domain name or IP address of the website or web application. There are many WHOIS databases like ARIN, American Registry for Internet Numbers, that collects the information about websites. Footprinting through DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's a server that keeps the mapping between IP addresses and respective domain names. As IP addresses are the numbers and our brain is better in numbering the words than the numbers. The DNS server provides this mapping facility to us. The host's IP address, MX Domains Mail Server, NS Host Name Server. CNAME canonical naming allows aliases to a host. SDA indicate authority for the domain. SRV service records. PTR IP host mapping. RP responsible person. Info host information. TXT unstructured records. Footprinting through network. Tracert options are available in all operating systems as a command line feature. Traceroute or tracert command results in the path information from source to destination into hop. Network footprinting tools are WHOIS, Ping, NSLOOKUP, and Tracert. Network footprinting can extract information such as network address ranges, host names, exposed hosts, OS and application version information, patch state of the host and the applications, and structure of the applications and backend servers. Footprinting through social engineering. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people so they give up confidential information. Social engineering techniques are eavesdropping, shoulder surfing, and dumpster diving. Eavesdropping is the act of secretly or sleathily listening to the private conversation or communications of others without their consent. Shoulder surfing occurs when someone watches over your shoulder to nab valuable information such as your password, ATM PIN, or credit card number. As you key it into an electronic device, when the snoop uses your information for financial gain, the activity becomes identity theft. Dumpster diving is the process of looking for treasure in trash. Dumpster drivers are searching for food or clothing. Others are looking for information to commit identity theft.